Welcome back to this class. Introduction to Python Programming with BlockPy. BlockPy is a web-based Python environment that aids beginners in learning Python. It supports block-based coding, making it easier for beginners to grasp the concepts of programming. Block-based coding is a form of programming where you drag and drop blocks of code to create a program. This approach is highly visual and intuitive, making it an excellent choice for beginners. BlockPy and block-based coding. BlockPy supports block-based coding, allowing you to create Python programs using blocks. It also allows you to switch between block-based and text-based coding, providing a smooth transition to more advanced Python programming. Features of BlockPy. BlockPy provides an interactive environment for learning Python. It supports real-world datasets, allowing you to apply your coding skills to practical problems. It also provides immediate feedback on your code, helping you learn and improve faster. BlockPy is not just for learning Python, it's also a powerful tool for data science. It supports data manipulation and analysis, making it a great tool for learning data science with Python. Getting started with BlockPy. We'll start by creating a BlockPy account and exploring the BlockPy interface. We'll learn how to create a new Python program using blocks. We'll also learn how to run our program and interpret the results, transitioning to text-based Python. As you become more comfortable with Python, you can start transitioning to text-based coding. BlockPy makes this easy by allowing you to switch between block-based and text-based coding. We'll learn how to convert our block-based Python program to a text-based program. BlockPy is a powerful tool for learning Python and data science. Whether you're a complete beginner or have some programming experience, BlockPy can help you learn and improve your Python skills. Let's get started with our Python programming journey with BlockPy. In this exercise, we will calculate a material's stress. Stress measures the internal forces in a material that can lead to deformation. It is defined as the force applied per unit area. The force applied on the material is 1,000 newtons, and the cross-sectional area of the material is 0.01 square meters. Your task is to calculate the stress on the material using the formula. After calculating the stress, display the result. Remember, the units of stress are typically pascals, Pa, which are equivalent to newtons per square meter. BlockPy solution. Please follow this example and try it in your machine. Let's start by initializing a variable called force. After declaring it, locate and drag its corresponding block. Assign to it a specific numerical value. Next, create another variable, area. Allocate a numerical value to it, following the method used for force. Now, compute the stress variable. It should be determined by dividing the force by the area. Finally, to display the calculated stress, employ the print command. Pros and cons of block-based coding. Pros of block-based coding. Beginner-friendly. The activity is entertaining, inventive, and excellent for problem solving. Great way to learn the basics of coding. Simple to get started with. Easily incorporates STEM concepts with simple teachings. Cons of block-based coding. Cannot alter the codes contained within the blocks. Designed as an introduction to programming, so custom scripting capabilities are limited. Not adequately introduces the challenges and frustrations of syntactical programming languages.